Hey everybody, this is the hands-on part of lesson 2.1. I have two different flashlights here, and I've got two different columns of materials. I'm going to try to go through this in the same order that you guys are going to be recording your data. So as you go through this video, you'll need to pause, and in the data table that is on page 2 of part 2, that is where you're going to record your findings here. So each one of these, we're going to do the liquid crystal, we're going to do the stars, and then we're going to do the beads. And this light here is a regular old flashlight. Let's blind you real quick. Woo! Yep. And then this one here is actually a UV light. It is a lot weaker, but it is also a different kind of light. So we're going to compare these two for each one of these three materials. So up first, and I won't need to do this one very long because it is pretty powerful. So I'm going to do them both at the same time for about 15 seconds. And we're really trying to answer the question, do different kinds of light affect material or cause material to change differently? So it's been about 15 seconds. Oh, that's pretty cool. So now would be a good time to pause the video, record your observations for flashlight A and flashlight B, and then in the third box you're going to want to record, were they the same or different? So we're going to do the same thing again, but with these. And it's kind of hard to see, but you can already see these lights are glowing. And actually, I'm going to turn down the intensity of this one just a touch. There we go. And it's been about, I'd say, 15 seconds. So I'm going to take the lights away and let's compare. What happens when we turn the lamp off? So I'm seeing something kind of interesting. This one appears to be a little brighter than this one. I'm not sure if it's showing up on film for you. But yeah, I would say these charged just a little bit better with the ultraviolet light than they did with the regular white light. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it when we do that. Interesting. So pause the video. Record your observations for the plastic stars in your table. And now let's do our final, which are these plastic beads. Ooh, come on, Roberts. Get these so everybody can see what you're doing here. There we go. So, just shining the lights down. Oh, that's interesting. So it's kind of hard to see because of the glare, but I'll try to get it so that you guys can see what I'm seeing here in the lab. These beads are actually changing color. Let's turn our light back on. Wow, look at that. So, the white light didn't really change these beads at all, but this UV light, this ultraviolet light, did. It has changed the colors of the beads. Alright friends, go ahead and pause the video. Actually, stop the video, it's over. Write down your findings, record your findings in your table.